Exercise 2.1. Solve the following equations and check your answers. Okay, see here students. First one, 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. See here 3x minus 2x equal to 18. So x equal to 18. Next, 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. Answer, 5t minus 3t is equal to 3 minus 5. See here 2t equal to minus 2, t equal to minus 2 by 2 means t equal to 1. Next, third one. See here 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Just we convert variable one side and constant one side. 5x minus 3x equal to 5 minus 9. 2x equal to minus 4. X equal to minus 4 by 2. So x equal to 2 1 ja 2 2 ja minus 2. Then fourth one, 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. 4z minus 2z equal to 6 minus 3. So 2z equal to 3, z equal to 3 by 2. Next, fifth question, 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. 2x plus x equal to 14 plus 1. 3x equal to 15, x equal to 15 by 3. So x equal to 3 1 ja 3 5 ja, x equal to 5. See here sixth one, 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into bracket x minus 1 plus x. 8x plus 4, 3 into x, 3x plus into minus 3 1 ja 3 plus 7. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x. 7 minus 3 is 4. 8x minus 3 plus 4 minus 4. 5x equal to 0. X equal to 0 by 5 means x equal to 0. Seventh question, x equal to 4 by 5 into bracket x plus 10. See here 5 into x, 5x equal to 4 into bracket x plus 10. 5x equal to 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 10, 40. 5x minus 4x equal to 40. 5x minus 4x means x equal to 40. Next, eighth one, 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. See here, now we take LCM. 2x plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to, here also we take LCM. 7x plus 15 3s are 45 divided by 15. See here, now we do cross multiplication. 2x plus 3 equal to 7x plus 14 by 15 into 3. Here 3 1s are 3 5s are 2x plus 3, 7x plus 40 by divided by 5. Again 2x plus 3. Now we split 7x by 5 plus 45x by 5. See here. Now we do variable one side. 2x minus 7x by 5. See here. 5 1s are 5 9s are 9 minus 3. See here. Now we take again LCM. 5 2s are 10x minus 7x divided by 5. Here 6. Okay. 10x minus 7x is 3x. 5 3s are 5 6 are 30. So x equal to 30 by 3. We will get x equal to 10. 3 1s are 3 10s are. Then ninth one, 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus y. See here, variable one side, constant one side. 2y plus y equal to 26 by 3. See here minus 5 by 3. Denominator is same. That's why 2y plus y 3y. Here 26 minus 5 divided by 3. 26 minus 5 is 21 by 3. 3y equal to 7. 3 1s are 3 7s are. So y equal to 7 by 3. I think last one, 3m equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So variable one side, 3m minus 5m equal to minus 8 by 5. See here 3m minus 5m. 2m minus 2m. So minus 8 by 5. See here minus minus get cancelled. 2m equal to 8 by 5. So m equal to 8 by 5 into 2. So m equal to 5 into 2 means 10. See here 8 by 10. 2 4s are 2 5s are. M equal to 4 by 5.